Scientific research capability is the core competitiveness of high-tech enterprises, and adhering to core competitiveness is the foundation of KND's survival. With the unique talent advantage of Beijing, KND has gathered a large number of outstanding talents with aspirations to take root in the CNC industry, in the research and development team. Over 95% of them hold graduate degrees or above, mainly from renowned universities such as Beihang University, Beijing Institute of Technology, Harbin Institute of Technology, and Xi'an Jiaodong University. The company cherishes talents, adheres to technology orientation, and strives to provide employees with a quiet and comfortable working and living environment. The employees' hard work and continuous innovation have formed a two-way journey between the company and employees, laying a solid foundation for KND to establish a foothold in the CNC industry and comprehensively develop industrial robots, automation, and digital fields. In 2005, in order to pursue higher processing performance and more perfect product system, KND started the independent research and development process of servo products after the BD series stepping driver, SD series servo driver, ST series servo motor had been published. Besides that, ZD series spindle driver and Z series servo spindle motor were also introduced. This breakthrough made servo system developed from nothing realized. In 2012, with the promotion and application of KSSB servo bus and absolute encoder, it solved some common problems, like corner error, crossing quadrant point, resonance of machine tool, and other problems in processing. It helped to improve the debugging efficiency and precision dramatically, and completed the independent matching of CNC system, servo driver and motor. This made us realize a phased goal from existence to excellence. In 2021, combined with more than 10 years of application experience and technology accumulation, KND published a new 510 series of high-performance drivers, including SD510 single-axis and multi-axis drivers, ZD510 spindle drivers, KSV low-power and 4-in-1 drivers. 510 series driver adopts the technology of hardware current loop and digital isolation sampling that makes them have a faster current response, a higher bandwidth, a smaller servo following error, and a better vibration suppression algorithm. If you use it combined with KA, KC, KD series high-performance synchronous motor, which have 5 pairs of poles, and KF series asynchronous spindle motor, the machine tool will have a better rigidity and a higher processing accuracy. And because of that above, this set of equipment became the preferred configuration of domestic mid-high-end CNC machine tools. Along with automation and digital transformation mixed with the idea of Chinese manufacturing in 2016, a new development trend appeared quickly. So, KND launched the industrial robot controllers, KRC series products, and started to move into the field of industrial automation. KRC is developed based on real-time operating system. It supports the control of multi-channel and multi-axis, and it can execute robot language and G instruction. It can support KSSB, EtherCAT, M2Bus protocol, and access visual cameras, sensors, scanning gun, encoder, welding machine and other external equipment. At present, KRC60A, KPC200A and some other products have been published. KRC60, a robot controller, can be applied to 6-joint robot, SCARA, Delta and other models. It has some built-in process packages for stamping, arc welding, Sandy visual recognition, loading and unloading. This equipment can provide a high-quality, flexible and reliable automation solutions for the customers. It can also meet the multi-scenario application of industrial robots. KPC200, a truss controller, has a full Chinese human-computer interactions interface, and it develops some customized processes for different application scenarios, such as the loading and unloading tray of trusses, point management, assistance movement, 3-dimensional processing area protection, anti-collision and so on. These function of this controller greatly shorten the debugging cycle of equipments, and won high praise from users in the application field of machine tool loading and unloading. In 2019, relying on the accumulation in the field of machine tool industry and automation, KND published KWS Industrial Interconnection, which is a kind of digital product serving numerical control machine tool, robotics and the vertical automation fields. KWS offers 3 products: manufacturing execution system, equipment maintenance system and production line control system. These can provide an enterprise-level services for the users, such as equipment status monitoring, production schedule management, production task distribution, product process management, historical tracing, production data statistics and analysis, equipment maintenance and remote assistance, and so on. This helps enterprises achieve production data visualization, real-time production management, standardization of product processes and procedures, and get a higher rate of equipment utilization. 30 years of concerted efforts, 30 years of spring wind and rain. After 30 years of continuous innovation and unremitting efforts, KND has built a product matrix covering 6 categories of CNC systems: robot controllers, general automation controllers, servo drives, servo motors, and industrial interconnections, achieving the strategic goal of independent KND. It has also participated in the formulation of national and industry standards in the field of CNC multiple times, and has accumulated hundreds of invention patents and software copyrights. It fully meets the usage needs of domestic CNC machine tools, industrial robots, general automation, enterprise digitization, and other fields, with the release of various products and the production lines being put into operation. KND has developed from a seed of serving the country through industry to a group-head high-tech enterprise with 7 companies, to research and development centers, 3 production bases, more than 60 marketing and service outlets, and over 1,000 employees. In his 30s, KND thanks every customer for their trust, every partner for their affirmation, and every employee for their hard work and sincere companionship. We hope to work together to create a brilliant chapter in CNC industry.